Hey, I'm Scott from Team McKinley. Today I'm going to show you how to deal with changing temperature and weather. Nature has various strategies. Mammals, for example, change their coat every spring and autumn. And beetles can withstand temperatures as low as 60 degrees below zero thanks to their natural frost protection. Thanks to the 3-layer principle for outdoor clothing, we can also stay warm and dry in all weather conditions. The first layer quickly transports moisture away from your body. But avoid cotton, as cotton soaks up moisture and sticks to your skin. The second layer protects us from the cold. And finally, we have the third layer. It protects us from wind and rain. If you combine the 3 layers properly, you are ready for all weather. Have fun in the great outdoors. Until next time.